Okay, first thing we do is go onto your Vita's browser, and we're going to be typing in this address. I believe it's HENkaku.xyz. Once you're in this website, you just click install. It's very straightforward. It's going to do its glitching out. Install. It's going to do its thing. Alright, so you're going to click OK. Give it a second. Fancy stuff, fancy stuff. Once it says that, you can close your browser. I have a little glitching out. But there you go, your bubble should be right there. Now don't worry about freaking out, just restart your Vita if it's glitching out like mine right now. Okay, so you're gonna open up your molecule bubble. And when it's open, you're gonna click select. And you see this IP address, we're gonna type this into our FTP client on our computer. Okay, so the homebrew we're using today is called VitaQuake, which is pretty much Quake for your Vita. So you're gonna download whatever homebrew you want. We make sure it's compatible with HENkaku. There's a quick check to do this. Oh wait, do I already have this downloaded somewhere? I think I do. I can cancel that. Yeah, so download the homebrew. I think I have it downloaded already. Yeah, here it is. All right, so here's a quick check to see if your homebrew is compatible with HENkaku. If you see in the folder, there should be a .vbk file. This file is what gets your Vita to install the homebrew. So I'm gonna extract all of this too. I don't think you have to, but I'm just gonna do it just in case. Okay. I think mine's in my downloads, wherever you extracted yours. So then when you find where you extracted your homebrew folder, in my case it was in my downloads, you open it up. Alright, so all three files have to go into your Vita. Now here's a quick check to see if it's compatible with HENkaku. HENkaku files are always .vbk. If there's not a .vbk file in the folder, it means that it's not compatible with native HENkaku itself. If it's something like VHBL, then it's going to use a PSV demo bubble or just a PSV base game bubble, but this isn't the case with this, it's actual homebrew. So yeah, once again, as a double check to make sure that your homebrew works with HENkaku, make sure there's a .vbk file in your homebrew folder. Alright, so we have this here. Now we're going to open up our FTP client. In my case, I know for a fact on Windows 8 and 10, an FTP client's built into the Windows Explorer, which is this thing. I'm not sure about Windows 7, but if you're not on those three windows, then you have to get a third-party FTP client. I suggest FireZilla, it's the easiest one to use. Plus, most of the Hackinformer team uses it anyway. So yeah, so if you're on Windows 8, 10, or 7, well, that was not an older, but yeah, Windows 10, 8, and 7, you type in the address that's on your Vita into this bar. So in my case, it's FTP / 192.68.2.5 the port 1237. There we go. This will open up. Just give it a few seconds. Yeah, it depends on your internet speed. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's fast. Alright, there you go. So we're gonna go to the root of our memory card, which is UX0. And once there, we're gonna be dragging all three of these files into here. You might not have a .data file or a .vel file. It depends. But in my case, I do. Also, I have to rename this one to because I already have a data file in here. Rename it to this. Let me double check something real quick. Yeah, it's original. You got to rename this one to . Well, this is just for me. Don't worry about it. So unless you do have a data file in your Homebrew here. Alright, I guess I can't do that. Zoom. It's in here anyway. It's empty anyway. Doesn't matter. Yeah, so zoom over. This might take a few seconds. Right, so when everything finishes transferring, which yeah, it did, you're gonna head back to your Vita. Okay, so when we're back on our Vita, we're gonna exit that screen, go back to the root of our memory card, which is UX0. Head down and find that Homebrew file, vitaquake.vbk, which would be for me. Hit X. Do you want to install this package? Hit X again to say yes. It takes some time to install. It's very quick, actually. Not that quick, man. It's decently quick. Right, that's when it turns off. It means that it's done. So in this case, yeah, it's done. Head back to my Vita screen, and look at that bubble right there, VitaQuake. Hit that, open that up. Give it a few seconds to boot up. And look, there we go. Working Homebrew. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm just Rennie. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you guys later. I'm going to be making a video on VHBL and how to get that on your Vita later. It's a bit more complicated because it's not natively supported by HENkaku yet. Alright, see you guys later. Just Rennie.